Uh, we're right now in the Love River, no? So we meet yung mga Filipinos, mga Rotarians from Quezon. They have a convention pa dito sa Kaohsiung. They're on a tour bus, no, ngayon. So this place very scenic, no? Ang ganda ng place. Free na mga sites and destinations here in Kaohsiung. Merong river kwan dito eh. River cruise ba?
Yeah.
No?
Meron nga. Pwede
Ganda.
magkanin.
So we have our car here, no? I think legally park, no? Kasi there's a parking space. So free siya. The parking. Tanungin natin si your opinion, view, just quick idea of this place.
It's a lovely place. It's Love River.
Okay.
I'm scared we're illegally parked.
Okay. May mga Pinoy kaming na-meet, no? Maganda to, overlooking yung bridge here. No, ikutin natin. I think yung gabi they have mga resto here. No? Place to, I think so, no? Tingin ko may pagkainan dito kung gabi, no? Kasi maganda siya, no? Maganda, very scenic na place. Tourist attraction, libre. No, pinaka-importante, libre. No, you don't have to pay anything, no, for experiencing yung local na place. Meron dito, no? You can have some relaxation. These are magandang place, no? So papakuha sa ng there's a coffee shop here, an area of Kaohsiung. This is waterway. I'm sure gabi dito kami, dyan kami nanggaling kanina sa Central Park. Yan. Okay, kung gabi merong cruise dito, gandang place. So they have yung tour bus. Okay, pwedeng sumakay dyan, but we have our own car naman. This one, Mai, maganda dito. Dito, this one, no? So you have tall buildings here. Pakuha ko ng shot dito. Magandang thumbnail to eh. Okay?